And I'm back. Today, I'm at one of my local spots, Old Glory in Frederick, Maryland. Let's go in and see what they got. Oh, I love these little telegram dolls. They're by Western Union. Yeah, Dollygram. So cute, $20. That's right where it needs to be with the discount. Fun new old stock Christmas. It's been a while since I've been here, so I'm trying to take my time, but I think we all know I'm just really excited to get to the vendor over there. Well, there's a couple things here that stick out to me. One is the Italian perfume. That is gorgeous. $60 though. I'm not sure if I can swing that. I feel like I could, honestly. What is that owl back there though? $30, blue owl. That's really interesting. I want to say it's Japanese but looks Italian, but I might have to check that out. Let's go to one of my favorite little spots before I investigate that further. Ooh, wait, 50% off all items. Well, this is clearly the first thing I see. Except marked firm. 65. Still, this thing's huge. That's a honker, as they like to say. Really pretty, but 65 firm. Dang. That's really nice, though. Oh, now I'm awake. What about the cranberry? Yeah. Dang. Wait, what? Lisa Larson. Elephant. 300, so 150. Dang, dude. Another one. And I see this little vase hanging out back here. $50. It's pretty. Look at these mushroom tiles. How fun are those? $7.50. Looks like it's got a little damage right there, but still. Is it for the... Oh, it's $7.50 each. Still. I think I'll be taking that. Kind of want to get both of them. I'm a little nervous about that line, but I feel like for $7.50, it's not like it's broken. I'll take both. Why not? And a lucite napkin holder. That's pretty. $8.50. I'll take that. That's a good deal, and it's really in good condition. Love the shells in that. What's this weird Porky Pig bank? That's so good. It's like reminds me of the Piggly Wiggly. I think it might be Piggly Wiggly. Is that what I'm thinking of? The barbecue place. $7.50. It's got a little separation here, but still in good condition. Start a little pile. That's so funny. My friend at the front was telling me that there's a little purple jacket that I would like. I do like it. Although I have enough jackets right now. Oh my gosh. All right, this is what I'm really here for. Well, first of all, $9.50. That's a good deal. I'm kind of crazed right now. This vendor always has like such great stuff, and like you never know what you're gonna find in here. Kind of distracted by what's happening here. $16. That's really pretty. That's not a bad buy. This is interesting. Oh my gosh, the dancer. She's fabulous. Unfortunately, she's got damage. Whoa. World's Fair Globe. That's very cool. What is this paperweight? Signed Glass Eye Studio, $23. That's really pretty. Like, really pretty. I wonder if there's enough room in that. The answer is definitely. I'm taking that. I was kind of going to do it either way, just because, I mean, this thing is so pretty, and I like the size of it. I'm going to look over here before I continue. Little half doll. Lots of half dolls. $1.50. Why? What's wrong with it? That does say $7.50. Okay. I'll take that. Look at this little powder box. It's not exactly what I wanted it to be, though. Oh my gosh, look at this one. $7.50. That one looks German. Yep, German. That's really good. I'll take that. $5.50. $5.50. We'll take all of them. What are these turtles? Those are funny. Marianne Kroidak pottery. Interesting. Unfamiliar. Gosh, that Fenton Rose Bowl gets me every time. It honestly looks like Tiffany's. It's amazing. What is that apple? It looks like a powder box almost. I'm curious. Let's see. Yeah, a container. I believe it did hold the powder, actually. Let's see. Bit of Glamour. Yeah, I've had that one in like a fun green color. I've never seen it in the pink. That's really pretty. These yellow chairs are so much fun. Oh my gosh. Speaking of milk glass, I love that hobnail. That's really pretty. Blanco, Viking. All kind of where they need to be. These are cool. Paperweight's nice. $49. Whoa, mushroom. Priceless nope, there it is, $59. Yeah, and it's got like a weird ding on it. Hey, there's that fun purple necklace. I had one of those. This really needs to be restrung, and it's $22, unfortunately. Otherwise, I would totally grab that. Okay, so this fish thing is actually crazy. Wow. I'm pretty sure that says $60 too. I might have to investigate. Oh, that's a pretty heart. But this thing is really crazy. Yeah. Wow. It's got like a little bruise on the bottom in the glass, but like still, that's wild. I'm honestly not sure if I want to ship that, is what it comes down to. Down here, the little Latticino bowl, that's really pretty. And look at this. This one's an unusual color. $89. Yeah, I have one like that. But not in that color. I've never seen that exact shade before. The amber, it's kind of different. This necklace is really cool. It's ceramic. Interesting. I don't see any visible markings on it. Well, the obvious is the bluebirds. The not so obvious is this frog vase. What is that? That looks like something special. I can't figure out what it says. I'm kind of curious. I think I'm gonna get a key to settle my curiosity on the frog vase, but on my way, I saw this. This bear is amazing. It's really old and I love the color. It's $15, which is insane. You guys see, if you guys watch my videos, you see me look at these antique teddy bears all the time. They are nowhere near this price. I'm definitely grabbing that. The wear kind of adds to its character in this instance, for sure. What else is in here? This looks like a big bag of little kittles. 4 for $20. Looks like Alice in Wonderland's in there too. This bear's cute, but it's not the same. This one's made in Japan. I like its weird eyes. It's kind of sweet. Should we rescue him too? I think we should. He's $8. And I can feel everyone screaming at me to get the little kittles, so I'm just gonna get them. It comes to $5 a pop. Dude, check out this Murano lamp. All right, so mystery solved. It's Royal Hager, which is surprising considering that metallic glaze. It was priced at $2.95. It said rare. It didn't look too hard, but I wasn't able to find a thing like it, and I've never seen it before. Really cool, but it will stay here for someone who's more of an enthusiast. And before you ask, yes, I did send a picture to Jocelyn. Now I'm looking at this Rose Lane figures. Unfortunately, you can't see the price on it. There's a lot in this case. That's interesting. A few of these things I've looked at before, like the cat, and I think I looked at the owl brooch last time too. Oh, I just had them open a case too. It's half price though, and it's Rose Lane. Might have to do it again. So after the discount, it comes to 14, 8, and 10. I think I'm just gonna grab all three. Rose Lane's been pretty hard to find, and these are in really good condition. I'm also gonna go ahead and grab this little jeweled lizard brooch. It says alligator, but looks like a lizard to me. It's also $3. I was about to check out, and there's one thing that's bothering me. I gotta take a look at that perfume. And wouldn't you know, this is exactly what I wanted it to be. Pretty sure that's, yep, Italian, 30 bucks. I'll take that. And it might not be the cheapest, but this is absolutely amazing. It's paper thin, Murano, absolutely gorgeous in pristine condition. I'm just gonna do it. Okay. Well, I hope no one's mad at me for leaving the Lisa Larson, but I got some really amazing stuff. I spent $264 in there, which I honestly feel like is a steal for what I got. Now I'm back home and I am getting ready to list this stuff. I will see you guys tomorrow.